Okay, Peter's flying from Germany, lives in Turkey, American wife, very confusing. Whoop.
Very confusing life.
Sounds adventurous.
First time having an absolute blast.
SUNSEEKER Duo over Lago di Cavazzo, Tolmezzo. Day with some thunderstorms in the afternoon, I predict. We'll see what happens.
Alright.
Try to keep the string centered. Figure out you're up here over the clouds at 8,200 feet. Okay.
It's great fun.
Shouldn't be a lot of anything unless you're doing something wrong. Okay, let's try a left turn. Make it 360 to the left, coordinated. More rudder, more rudder. You gotta go. Okay, you hold it. You need to fly just pressure. You had the stick over way too long. Now you have the stick way over the other way too long. Yeah, don't move the stick. Just use pressure. See, the stick is.
It's a bit more than 360, right? Was it?
No, a little less.
A little less than 360.
Well,